20 seconds. 20 seconds. It takes about that long for the fastest runner to sprint 200 meters. That's fast. I can't beat that. I'm more of an endurance runner. Push my body and mind to the limit to go that extra mile. It takes discipline, perseverance, desire especially.
Hi. Hi. Want to know what I'm doing here? What are you doing here?
I missed the bus again.
You couldn't just run after it? Or driven your car?
I guess you parked in the garage. That's why I didn't see your car.
So what do you think should happen now?
I can just go to school. I can just go right over there.
I know. How about you clean the house today? And I'm not talking about with those Clorox wipes either. Oh, and my laundry. And just throw yours in there too.
What? What?
Oh no? Well, what? How about I revoke that Black Friday voucher?
200 million hours is spent shopping on Black Friday.
Okay, I'll clean and stuff.
I'm sure. Oh, and by the way, Amaya needs somebody to watch her today.
Watch her do what? Stay right there, okay? Don't leave. If you need something, cry or whatever, all right? I'll be around. Oh, come on!
Darling!
Hi.
What are you doing?
Resting?
Okay, alright. Do you remember Jackie that used to work at my office?
Yeah, she ran all those marathons?
Exactly, absolutely. Well, she told me about something that I thought you might be interested in. Do you mind if can I pull it up? Take a look.
Wow. And I can just sign up.
You can just sign up. Just like that. I know how you feel about running.
Okay.
Good job.
20 seconds. A child dies every 20 seconds from a water-related illness. That's fast. I'm thinking I can beat that.
Ladies and gentlemen,